Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create equalizer preset for your headphones Philips. You have to start by open Philips headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app and then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the sound effect. And right here we have custom. Tap at this line, at this button, and right here we have it. We cannot create more than one custom preset, so we have right here the first one preset, custom one, and only this one. Now let's do something good. So let's say I think this preset is okay for me, and that's it. Now we can use it. You can go back and it's saved. If you don't like what you made, as I said, you cannot create more than one custom preset, so you need to reset this. You can do it manually by just set it to 0, or you can click at the reset button and click OK. And we have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!